darling one? Are you on your own? Are you having fun? Is there someone to hold when you need it bad? Is it uncontrolled like the love we had? Does the day go by like a memory? Do you ever try to remember me in an automobile or a crowded bar? Well, I hope you're alright wherever you are. And if you're still within the sound of my voice over some radio, I just want you to know you were always my only choice. And wherever you go, that I'd still love you so, if you're still within the sound of my voice. In the dead of night, do you hear me call? Something's not quite right, no one's there at all. Did you make a mistake? Was it in your head? Or was it really me talking to your heart instead? And if you're still within the sound of my voice, watching this video, I just want you to know that it always made me rejoice. Just to have you so near, there's a place for you here, if you're still within the sound of my voice. I am calling like the echo of a passing train that cries one last time before it fades into the distant hills and dies. I am sending out a message like a ship out on the sea, in distress, but only you can send a lifeline out to me. Are you still within the sound of my voice? Why don't you let me know? I just can't let you know. If it's wrong, then I have no choice but to love you until I no longer have a will. Are you still within the sound of my voice? I am calling like the echo of a passing train that cries one last time